Wow. So just make it a point, click on that red button and ring the bell. I told you that this channel we do uploads every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So today we're going to see another creativity, because I told you that it is always good to create things for yourself and make them look good always. And so we're going to see something that is two in one. And a lot of people who've been asking me like I should teach them how to do different types of cornrows for the different types of crochet. So those are the things that we're going to have to start looking at. Yeah, because if my name is called Morris the Crochet Master, that means when it comes to crochet I can do anything with it. So we're going to see on how to do the boom flex crochet, and this is the proper way to plait the cornrows for the crochet. I told you whenever you're plaiting the crochet, please try to learn this type of cornrow. It's supposed to be inside cornrows, you understand? Because what I realized about these other cornrows, the yarn cornrow, the inward cornrows, what I realized about them that they grow a little, like they grow faster than this one, because this one grows from inside and the other one just grows from outside, like upwards. And if it's like that, then it means the crochet will be able to come out very soon. But you should always learn to do this. If you've been like, if you are used of doing the other one, please also try to learn how to do this, because it is going to help you. And I think it's when you really realize that this cornrow, this type of cornrow is it lasts longer than the other one. So please you should make it a point at least every day you try on this type of cornrow, because it is very nice and it can last longer than the other one. So I'd like to talk about cornrows. Sometimes our crochet breaks here because of some two different mistakes that we do. One, the times when the crochet is, let's say like these jumbo twists, the freedom twists, those ones, like when they're very big and yet you're trying to do a crochet and you make the cornrows very small, that means it won't be able to hold that it won't be able to lift that jumbo twist, your cornrow that you have done when the cornrow is very small. So what happened, the crochet is going to come out very soon and it might break your hair. So you should note that it is always good to do the type of the cornrow that is that favors the crochet. You understand? If the crochet is very big, that means you're going to also try make your cornrow somehow big. So it's not always a must like to do the same cornrows, because you're going to do the crochet. And those small crochet, the very small twists, still you cannot do like these cornrows, since the crochet is very small. You may not do this kind of cornrow, just because if you do this the big ones on the small twist, it means it won't look smart at all, and even the crochet may not look packed. So it's better to always do the crochet that are very that favors the type of the crochet. You do the corners that favor the type of crochet that you're going to do. So the boom flex, this is how we try to do it. You know, I told you I like creativity and I always do it my way. I do it my way. That's what I can say. So now we're going to be doing the boom flex, and it comes from the spring twist. the spring twist hair, the spring twist crochet. If you've been using the passion, if you're doing the passion twist and the spring twist, I think you know what I'm talking about. And now here what I do, I just to since we're in the creativity, I just try to get a small portion of hair, and then I start plaiting it, twisting it this way, and you can see the twisting is very, very different. So it's going to give you the homework of learning how to twist. You can see how she's twisting it just like that, you see, so amazing. So you can also try it out to see how you can twist it this way. I told you I work with my team, and I always when I bring something, they're very, very fast. They're very, very fast to learn it. So this is how we're going to do it. So I make sure that all the things that I'm crocheting here, all the things that I'm crocheting here, they have to twist them. You know why? I realize that sometimes when we do this hair, let's say the one I'm crocheting them without twisting, that those people who cannot handle, you find them detangling. You find them tangling because they cannot handle, they cannot spray them, they cannot look after them very all the time. So I decided if I twist it, let it be 1-1 so that it cannot tangle, and someone will be able to take care of them, because this is somehow very simple, because if it is twisted, it has got 90% of not to tangle, and the maintaining will be very, very easy for you guys. And when I'm done with that, you can see the spray that I'm using. I just mixing water and oil. Yeah, any hair polisher can do it well, because it's supposed to be moisturized all the time. Yes, not all the time, but you can just do it in the morning, every morning when you're going to do the styling. But you find sometimes other people, when they play it like this kind of crochet, or even others, they don't spray. So you find the crochet is becoming very it is becoming dry, and it starts tangling itself. So we should always try to make sure at least we spray it always, like in the morning when you're going to style it. So now I'm going to show you how to shape this boom flex. Yes, shaping this kind of cell, it can give you 3 types of hair cells. Now there are those people who can be like, I like it crazy, and they leave it the way it was. But now we're trying to do some hairstyle that can favor all our in our category, like those people who are official, corporate, and those ones who would like crazy stuff. So now let me try to make it somehow a little bit crazy, but when it can favor you also. Those one who are corporate. So now we are trying to trim it, but I'm going to trim it in a French fashion, just like that. And I know how you guys can do it, because I told you when it comes to trimming, there are times when I might not teach you that, it is just from your hair, that art that you feel that maybe your hair would like to, how your hair you want it to look. So you just trim it accordingly to what you feel, you understand? So for that one, maybe I'll just give you the basics. The basics for the fringe is, you just have to note this. The basic for the fringe is, whenever you're cutting the fringe, there are those phases when you have to cut it, there are those phases you have to cut when the eyebrows are showing, and those phases when you have to cut when the eyebrows are not showing. Those are the basics for the fringe. So you should always be careful when you're cutting, and that's why I would advise you, whenever you're going to try to trim, please try to start from down reach on that level of when the eyebrows are not seeing and try to see is it coming out, and if it's not coming out, then it's when you can still cut and you make it above the eyebrows. So that is the basic. Anyway, I didn't introduce my name, but my name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master on my personal account, and that is Instagram. You can go and wow, I like it the way it looks. You can go and follow me up so that we chat more. I like chatting with my friends. I like friends, yes. So that's how it is. And still you can follow Hair Zipper on Instagram, Hair Zipper on Facebook, Hair Zipper on Twitter, still to see all those more pictures on how to do it. Still, our website is www.hairzippers.com. Wow, now you can see another style from it, the fringe, and you can do it a side way. So for now, let me sign out and bye bye. I love you so much.